Pets are members of the family who we try to protect, but how well do current laws protect you and your pet if you're victims of a dog attack? In my latest Action News Jax investigation, I found out those laws have more bark than bite.
Catherine Yovington used to love to take her dog Coco for walks, but not anymore.
So he's a little bit nervous because of the attack.
Both no longer feel safe. Catherine says a neighborhood pit bull got loose and attacked her and her dog.
I felt like I was on the ground screaming, trying to get that dog off of my dog, and nobody was listening.
This is what Coco looked like before the attack, and this is immediately after. You can see Coco's bloodied fur. The vet needed to put staples in his neck to fix the wound.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And Catherine received injuries to her chin, knees, and elbows. To make matters worse, Catherine had to pay the full cost of both of their medical bills. In an Action News Jax investigation, I found out that getting medical bills covered can be difficult, and so is having someone cited for a loose dog or even charged or arrested for a dog attack. In Duval County, for a simple citation, you need one affidavit with video of what happened, 2 affidavits from 2 unrelated adult witnesses from different households, or an officer witnessing the violation. In Catherine's case, her screams were heard by neighbors. 2 witnesses filled out these affidavits with the city. The dog owner received a citation for $255.
You obviously cannot cross-examine a pet.
Action News Jax law and safety expert Dale Carson tells me it's very difficult to prove if a pet owner intentionally used their pet to injure someone, or even prove if the attack was simply an accident.
In Florida, the dogs that are create criminal liability for their owners are dogs that have a known past for being aggressive.
According to the Florida Department of Health, Duval County received about 1,200 dog bite reports since 2018. As Action News Jax first reported, in 2019, a bull terrier mix bit a woman who was running in the Donna Marathon. The dog owner received a citation. Also in 2019, multiple pit bulls bit a 9-year-old girl. The owner received 5 citations. And this August, a mail carrier was attacked and killed by multiple dogs. The owner is facing misdemeanor charges. According to the dangerous dogs section of the Florida statute, depending on what the dog owner is accused of doing, they can face a 1st or 2nd degree misdemeanor or a 3rd degree felony charge. I emailed both local state attorneys' offices to find out how many dog bite cases have been prosecuted. Apparently none in at least the past 12 years. So why have the law in the books?
Well, there are many laws that are on the books that are not enforced. The concern about victims from dog bites isn't to see that the owner of the dog goes to jail, it's to have their medical needs met.
Come on, Coco.
Coco and Yovington did not get their medical needs met. She paid Coco's vet bill $820.70 and her own about $1,600.
Now I'm terrified to walk my dog.
And Catherine says they are still paying in other ways.
I look over my shoulder. It's no longer a nice, pleasant walk with my dog.
Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you're bitten by a dog in Florida, you have 4 years to file a civil lawsuit. However, your dog has fewer rights because it's only considered personal property under Florida law.